Let's learn to really understand and use Czech numbers from 0 to 10 in practice. Ahoj, já jsem Kateřina, jsem učitelka češtiny pro cizince, and this is another lesson from my 0 to A1 course in Czech. If you're here for the first time, welcome! You will find a link to the full free course down below. Let's start with a little quiz in your exercise sheet. Go to cvičení 1 and try to match the correct numbers from 0 to 10 with their Czech name. Here are the answers. Well done. Now I have a question. Why do you always say jedno pivo, but not jeden pivo or jedna pivo? Let's start with a wee bit of grammar for the beginning. Tada! Jeden, jedna, jedno. Dva, dvě, dvě. The number 1 and 2 are different to all the other Czech numbers. In them, the ending changes according to the gender. So, you say jeden muž, jedna žena, jedno dítě. Pivo is a neuter, so you always say jedno pivo and not jeden pivo. So, let's practice. Try to tell me out loud what you see in the pictures using the word jeden, jedna or jedno. For example, jeden chlapec. You will see the answer in a few seconds. If you struggle with the vocabulary, go a couple of lessons back or use the online vocabulary app. The link is also in the description. Now, cvičení 2. Write what you hear. 5, 8, 9, 1, 3, 7, 2, 0, 4, 6. Here are the answers. Without checking the previous exercises, write the numbers into the cvičení 3. And be especially careful about your spelling. It will do magic to your future numbers. You can afterwards check your answers and the spelling with the cvičení 1. And now a little speaking exercise. Try not using any materials and answer my question out loud. Jaké je tvoje telefonní číslo? Kolik je to? Kolik je tohle? Kolik je tohle? Kolik je tohle? Kolik je to? Kolik je to? Kolik je to? Kolik je to? And now a challenge. A little bit of maths. Try not to write anything down and just speak. Kolik je 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 je 6. Kolik je 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 je 5. Kolik je 1 plus 5? 1 plus 5 je 6. Kolik je 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 jsou 2. Kolik je 6 plus 4? 6 plus 4 je 10. Dobrá práce! Your last exercise for today is simple. Scroll down to the comments below and write down your favorite number in the form of this sentence. Moje oblíbené číslo je například 7. And if your favorite number is higher than 10, well, then you have a little bit of a homework to do. Remember to complete today's class in the Memrise course to practice the vocabs. Link is in the description below. And do you want to know more higher numerals? Check out my next videos. I hope you enjoy learning with me. If you find this video and content useful and you would like to help more, support me on my Patreon. Link is also in the description. Keep learning, keep studying, and I'll see you again in the next video. Měj se hezky, díky a ahoj.